Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
This is a 14-inch laptop with a premium all-metal design, yet it weighs just 798 grams, making it the lightest 14-inch laptop in the world. It's a product that has the potential to completely reshape the laptop industry. About 2 years ago, Huawei introduced the MateBook X Pro, which set the benchmark as the lightest and thinnest 14-inch metal laptop. Since then, many brands have caught up and released products in the same category. But don't compare this to a 13-inch laptop, and definitely don't compare it to plastic-bodied models or devices without a glass-covered display just because they're lighter. If there's one lightweight laptop that can outperform a Huawei laptop, it's another Huawei laptop, the new Huawei MateBook Pro S. So today, let's check out this incredibly light 798-gram HarmonyOS laptop and see what makes it so special.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
All right, here it is. Wow, this really is a laptop. I honestly can't believe how light it feels. Let's set the laptop aside for a moment and take a quick look at what's inside the box. We get a compact 66-watt USB-C charger, and it's surprisingly small. There's also a USB-C to USB-C cable included. Now let's get back to the laptop. Wow, the first thing that stands out isn't just how thin and lightweight it is, it's this gorgeous color. Huawei calls it vertical purple. It's not a bold, flashy purple. Instead, it's a soft, elegant shade with a jade-like finish that feels subtle and refined. It almost has a vintage, classic charm to it. Honestly, this purple looks absolutely beautiful. On the lid, you'll find the familiar Huawei logo, which is expected, but if you look a little closer, you'll also notice the HarmonyOS branding, confirming that this is officially a HarmonyOS computer. Now, there are two raised sections on the left and right sides of the lid. I can't reveal what they're for just yet, but let me give you a closer look. See how they slightly rise above the surface? Think about what they might be and what purpose they serve. Opening the laptop, you're greeted by a stunning 14.2-inch flexible OLED display. The bezels on all four sides are impressively slim, giving the screen a very immersive look. The interior continues the same purple theme, although the keyboard keycaps use a slightly deeper shade than the chassis itself. There's also a small card included that almost looks like some kind of mysterious prophecy, just in a slightly darker color. Over here, you'll find the integrated fingerprint scanner built into the power button, combining both functions into one. The touchpad is also very large, and it's a pressure-sensitive touchpad rather than a traditional mechanical one. Listen carefully. You can even open the laptop smoothly with just one hand. As for connectivity, the left side features a single USB-C port, while the right side has Huawei's Super Video interface with another USB-C port. Now let me show you the finish up close. Wow, this frosted texture feels incredible. It's silky smooth, refined, and premium. The inside has the same matte finish, and the bottom panel continues that exact texture as well. Every surface feels soft and incredibly well crafted. Huawei is still using their Dragon metal body, the same advanced material found on the previous generation. The real breakthrough this time is just how much weight they've managed to remove. No wonder it felt unbelievably light the moment I picked it up. At only 798 grams, it's almost hard to believe. Let me try squeezing it a little. You know, I don't have the strongest grip, but I can actually flex it slightly when I press the edge. Maybe I wasn't applying enough force. Let's try again. Right here along the side. See that? It's actually moving a little. Now, let me hand it over. Isn't it amazingly light? You can literally pinch it by one edge and comfortably hold it horizontally. That's just how lightweight it is. But what does 798 grams actually feel like in real life? Let me give you a better comparison. It's almost the same weight as a full pack of A4 printer paper. Let's put it on the scale. And 798.1 grams. There you go. Another comparison is this 900 milliliter bottle that's already had a big sip taken out of it. Place it on the scale and, wow, almost exactly 798 grams. That's essentially the weight you're holding when you pick up this laptop. Here's another reference, a fashion magazine. Comparing the size, the laptop has a very similar footprint, but when you hold the magazine, it actually feels heavier than the laptop. That's pretty incredible. And it's not only lightweight, it measures just 11.9 millimeters thick. Let's verify that. Measuring one side, it's around 11.1 millimeters. On the opposite side, it's about 11.8 millimeters. This thicker section comes in at roughly 11.7 to 11.9 millimeters, which means Huawei's official specification is actually very accurate. In fact, some areas are even thinner than the claimed 11.9 millimeters. So when it comes to 14-inch laptops, this 798-gram weight puts it in a league of its own. If this laptop claims second place, nobody else can confidently claim first. It's genuinely an impressive engineering achievement. Looking across the entire 14-inch laptop market, you really have to ask, how did Huawei manage to make something this light? The answer comes down to 3 key innovations. The biggest one is Huawei's brand new cloud-based lossless architecture. This latest design reduces weight from 3 different dimensions, making this incredibly lightweight laptop possible.
The first major breakthrough comes from the materials used inside the laptop. While the exterior continues to use the same premium finish, the internal metal frame is built with Merino alloy, making the structure both lighter and stronger. Now, if you flip the laptop over, you'll notice something unusual on the bottom. There aren't any visible screws. That's one of the biggest engineering highlights. So the obvious question is, how is everything held together? The answer lies in Huawei's new lossless structural design. It may sound like an old engineering concept, but Huawei has adapted it in a completely modern way. Instead of relying on screws, the laptop uses 4 sets of lossless structural supports along with 8 pairs of anti-pull clips. This screw-free design securely locks everything in place while keeping the exterior clean and seamless. By eliminating traditional screws and combining them with these structural clips, Huawei has managed to hide the joints while making the overall chassis even thinner. The third key improvement focuses on making the internal components slimmer than ever before. Earlier, I mentioned the pressure-sensitive touchpad. It's already incredibly thin, but the real achievement is the glass layer sitting above it. Take a closer look. It's unbelievably slim, almost measured in mere millimeters. Despite becoming thinner, it still functions as a pressure-sensitive touchpad. There's another interesting feature about it that I can't fully reveal yet, but I can say it's designed to respond to more than just your fingers. There are additional ways to interact with it, although I'll save those details for another time. Of course, making something thinner also raises concerns about durability. Wouldn't it become easier to damage? Huawei thought about that too. To maintain strength, the touchpad goes through a secondary reinforcement process that significantly improves its structural rigidity. So even though it's thinner than before, it's also much stronger. Another important upgrade is the motherboard. Huawei has adopted a 3-section motherboard design, allowing the lower half of the laptop to become even slimmer. Since the display uses an OLED panel, which is naturally very thin, the combination of the compact motherboard, slimmer internal components, and lightweight Merino alloy creates an incredibly thin overall design. This complete engineering approach is what Huawei refers to as its Cloud Lossless Architecture. Here's a simple way to understand it. This diagram clearly shows how the entire Cloud Lossless Architecture has evolved. First, there's the 3-piece motherboard design I mentioned earlier. Compare it with previous generations. The motherboard used back in 2023 was much larger. It became smaller in 2024 and 2025, and now the latest version has been redesigned into a compact 3-section layout that's significantly smaller than before. The cooling system has also gone through the same evolution. This was the fan design from 2023, then came the slimmer version in 2024, and now look at the newest fan. It's remarkably compact and much thinner. Huawei has clearly put a huge amount of effort into miniaturizing every internal component. Then there's the integrated clip structure we talked about earlier. This is the first time Huawei has introduced this kind of design in a laptop. Even though the concept comes from traditional engineering principles, it's incredibly strong and reliable in modern applications. Finally, the reason this laptop achieves such an impressive weight comes down to its internal frame. The body is built using Misato alloy. It starts as a large raw metal plate, then goes through a micro-arc oxidation process. After that comes the untreated Misato alloy, followed by the finished coated version. The biggest strengths of this material are exactly what you'd expect. It delivers outstanding lightness, exceptional thinness, and impressive durability, all at the same time. That's what makes it such an important part of the overall design. When Huawei combines this advanced alloy with its new structural architecture, the result is the incredibly lightweight and ultra-thin MateBook Pro S. You can really feel the difference the moment you hold it. It's one of those products where the engineering is immediately noticeable. But of course, being thin and light isn't the only thing people care about. I know many of you are wondering about the performance. This laptop is powered by Huawei's Kirin X190 processor. Compared with previous models, the S version brings some meaningful upgrades. It still weighs only 798 grams and measures just 11.9 millimeters thick, but the processor has been enhanced to deliver stronger performance while also improving network connectivity. Huawei has equipped it with a 4-antenna system that supports Wi-Fi 7++, giving it an impressive wireless range of up to 1,000 meters under suitable conditions. We don't have enough time to test that today, but we'll definitely verify it in a future video. Personally, I think reliable wireless connectivity is incredibly important for office work. Even though Huawei phones can easily provide network sharing when you're away from Wi-Fi, having a laptop with stable wireless performance makes everyday productivity much more convenient. Battery life is another highlight. The MateBook Pro S features a high-density battery with 10% higher specifications, along with Huawei's Super Pump technology. According to Huawei, it can stream 1080p online video for more than 18 hours on a single charge. I'll make sure to test that claim myself in a future review to see if it really delivers beyond the 18-hour mark. That's what makes this laptop so impressive. It's not just incredibly thin and unbelievably light, it also combines long battery life, powerful performance, and reliable connectivity into one premium package. That's the vision behind the Huawei MateBook Pro S. So, what do you think about it? Personally, I just can't get over this beautiful purple finish. I absolutely love the color. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.